A reliable folding hand truck is a game changer for moving heavy loads with ease. Designed for convenience, these compact carts handle everything from office supplies to bulky household items. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding hand trucks you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which industrial and scientific topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Mount It MI901 folding hand truck and personal dolly is a reliable solution for moving heavy items effortlessly. Designed for home, office, work, or travel, this industrial-grade trolley makes lifting and transport easy. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it supports up to 165 pounds while remaining lightweight. The included bungee cord secures loads in place, and large rubber wheels provide a smooth, quiet roll. Whether used as a folding hand truck, dolly, or utility cart, this tool is built for convenience and efficiency. The telescoping handle extends up to 39.4 inches and offers 3 height settings to accommodate different users and tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort while maneuvering, making it an excellent choice for moving appliances or everyday items. The 2-wheel design enhances mobility, allowing for easy tilting and transport across various surfaces. When not in use, it folds down to just 25 by 15 by 2.2 inches, making storage simple. The Oyoest heavy-duty folding hand truck is a versatile, compact solution for transporting heavy loads. Folding down to just 24 by 15 by 4 inches and weighing 18 pounds, it stores easily in a trunk, under a bed, or in a closet. Its quick conversion design requires no pins or tools, allowing seamless switching between a 2-wheeled upright hand truck and a 4-wheeled platform cart in seconds. This makes it ideal for warehouses, offices, moving, event setups, or everyday hauling of boxes, groceries, or luggage. Built for durability, it features a strong metal and resin frame with solid 5-inch rubber wheels that ensure smooth, noise-free movement. The 4-wheel configuration supports up to 330 pounds, while the 2-wheel setup handles 165 pounds. The retractable steel handle adjusts to different heights for user comfort, and the padded top grip enhances control. A large anti-skid platform and shovelboard keep load stable, while protective shells on the smaller wheels add safety. Magnetic suction technology secures the wheels when stored. Reliable and ergonomic, the Oyoest hand truck combines strength and convenience in a portable package, making it an essential tool for home, office, and commercial use. Whether tackling everyday tasks or heavy-duty jobs, it delivers efficiency and ease with every haul. Voipvvii's best folding hand truck is designed for strength, versatility, and convenience. Featuring an enhanced 6-wheel design, it combines 2 fixed front wheels with 4 swivel wheels, all reinforced with thick brackets and screws. The wheels are made from tough TPE material, ensuring durability and smooth, quiet movement on various surfaces. This design provides superior stability, making it ideal for handling heavy loads with precision. The adjustable platform accommodates different item sizes, while 2 included elastic rope secure cargo during transport, adding flexibility and reliability. Weighing only 6.5 pounds, this foldable and portable hand truck is effortless to store and carry, making it perfect for travelers, warehouse workers, and anyone needing a compact transport solution. Despite its lightweight frame, it boasts an impressive 600 pounds load capacity, handling bulky items with ease. JJSMKCH 2-in-1 Hand Truck Dolly is a heavy-duty, multi-position cart designed for versatility and convenience. Built with a durable steel frame, it supports up to 330 pounds and easily converts between a 2-wheel upright dolly and a 4-wheel hand truck. The 5-inch dual-bearing rubber wheels provide smooth movement and stability without noise, while the 360-degree swivel function enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. Designed for portability, this folding hand truck requires no tools or pins for conversion, switching positions in seconds. When collapsed, it measures 25 by 18 by 4.7 inches and weighs only 16 pounds, making it compact enough to fit in most car trunks. Its 3-gear retractable handle extends up to 36.2 inches, offering customizable height for easy load handling. The padded grip ensures comfort during transport. To secure cargo efficiently, and this dolly includes 2 adjustable bungee cords, eliminating the need for extra purchases. Whether moving heavy boxes, luggage, or equipment, this foldable cart is a reliable solution for home, office, or travel. The Mount It MI924. Stair climbing cart takes the hassle out of moving heavy loads, whether you're transporting appliances, boxes, or equipment. Designed with a triple wheel system, this folding hand truck climbs stairs smoothly, reducing strain and securing stability with each step. The telescopic foam handles provide a comfortable grip, ensuring better control during transport. Highly portable and packable, this stair dolly folds down to 28.75 by 13.5 by 17 inches, making it compact enough to store in tight spaces or transport in a vehicle. Weighing about 22 pounds, it remains lightweight yet strong enough for various hauling needs. With a 330-pound capacity on flat surfaces and a 130-pound recommended load for stairs, it efficiently distributes weight for safer lifting. Built for smooth rolling on all terrains, this cart glides over grass, dirt, concrete, carpet, and steps without skidding. Whether you're using it in an office, warehouse, or home, it delivers stability and ease of movement. The foldable dolly design assembles in seconds, making it a reliable and space-saving solution for moving heavy loads. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.